Good morning, biology students. Today you're going to do a couple of different things. We're going to wrap up our conversation on the idea of mass extinctions. And so when we did that activity on Friday, you saw how when there was major changes in the ecosystem, a large number of animals died off. Like in that one, I think it's the second or the first mass extinction, you lose like 95% of the organisms that were living in the oceans, which is just a huge amount. And it's because they don't have the adaptations that allow them to survive in that new ecosystem. So you're going to add some information to your digital notebook to kind of just summarize and put in those things. You can put in that Earth Viewer video. You could put in the video about the different mass extinctions, just to summarize and put that there. And then you could also put the knowledge probe in that went along with that. What you guys are going to work on today is some animal behavior, where we're going to, you're going to watch a couple of videos and make note of what's happening, and then you do have another knowledge probe on chapter 24, lesson 4. So if we take a look at your digital notebook first, what I want you to do is come down here, and underneath this adaptations for survival in a niche, you could just add your information here about the mass extinctions. So we could put mass extinction summary, mass extinction videos. Okay, so that you've got that information there when you start to study for the quiz, which will be not this coming Friday, but a week from Friday is our plan. So I want you to do that. So summarize your notes there. After that, you're going to go to the animal behavior assignment, which will look like this. And you're going to watch these 3 different videos. This one's on animal communication. It's with honeybees. This is on cooperation among organisms, and then the last one is on flocking with birds. What I want you to do is, as you're watching, and then when you get done, what are the benefits of that behavior, but then what's the cost to the animal? So the benefit is, what does the animal get out of it? How is it helpful to the animal? And then the cost is what might happen negatively because of the behavior that you're seeing. So things about could be energy loss, could be exposure to predators, could be competition with another organism, could be anything that's going to possibly negatively affect and prevent them from possibly surviving. Because remember, the whole kind of overall thing that animals try to do is to survive, to reproduce. Like, that's our natural instinct. So you'll watch these 3 videos, record the cost and benefit, and then after you've watched them, I want you to then think about what was the cause and the effect of the behavior. So what caused the behavior, why did it happen, and then what was the effect after the behavior. So different from the benefit above, but like, why did it happen, and then what happened because of it. And then the next one is, why does it continue to happen? Because animals are expending energy to do these behaviors. So I need you to think about, why would they continue to do that? So we'll do that again for these 3, and they're linked again here in case you want to watch them a second time. Then you're going to come up with 3 questions that you have, and they do need to be scientific questions. So remember, that's not a yes or no question, but a question like how does, or what happens because of, those sorts of things. And then the final thing is to actually go outside. It's supposed to be nice today. Get out, observe some animals around you. Remember, insects are animals, birds are animals, so you don't have to just look for cats and dogs and squirrels, which are all mammals. That's normally what we think of when we think of animals. So you have all kinds of animals around you. Observe one of them, describe the behavior that you're seeing. What was the cause of the behavior, what happened because of it, and then why do you think that that's happening still? All right, and then the last thing is that you have the knowledge probe, which you can get to through the textbook on Clever. Hopefully you guys found in the assignment box, there's that red box, and I tried to organize all of the knowledge probes right there for you. So hopefully that's a little bit more helpful. All right, I will see you tomorrow in class at 11 o'clock in our Zoom. Have a good day.